Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Kitchen, and today we are making some breakfast. We got some eggs, some buttermilk pancakes, and some bacon. And we are making these buttermilk pancakes from scratch, and I'm also going to be showing you 2 ways you can dress them up. And you know I had to do strawberries because I love me some strawberries, okay? But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. We are going to start off with our wet ingredients. First, we're going to take 1 egg and whisk it. Then we are going to take 1.5 cups of buttermilk. I actually went in with about a cup because I did a 1/2 cup of coffee creamer. Then go in with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and make sure it is unsalted. You do not want your pancakes to be salty. Then I'm just eyeballing my extracts. I'm using vanilla and almond extract, but feel free to use whatever you like. And to add a little razzle dazzle, I'm going to go in with some coffee creamer. It's optional, but it gives your pancakes a nice sweetness. Now we're going to go in with our dry ingredients. So I just went in 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 3 tablespoons of sugar. I think I probably used a little more, but at least 3 tablespoons. Combine all your ingredients together. Then we're just going to take our wet batter and combine it with our dry batter. And once everything is well combined, you can let it rest for about 10 minutes before cooking it. So after letting it rest for 10 minutes, I'm just buttering up my pan and it's all nice and bubbly. So now I'm just going to take a scoop of my pancake batter and pouring it on my griddle. Once you see all those bubbles, you can flip it over and it should look like that, all nice brown and golden. And you can just throw some butter on there and set it to the side. And you would just repeat the process until you made all your batter or until you made the number of pancakes you want to make. The batter is good for 2 days in the refrigerator and it lasts even longer in the freezer. Now I'm just making some eggs. You can make your eggs however you like them, but I'm just scrambling my eggs in a little bit of milk, salt, pepper, and cheese. And I was too lazy to shred my cheese, so I just cut them into cubes, but it will all melt together eventually. Now you can top your pancakes with a little bit of butter or a lot of butter, and then with your favorite maple syrup, and dig in. Y'all, I love this recipe so much. There is nothing like hot, fresh pancakes in the morning. Oh, and I almost forgot to show y'all my strawberries and cream pancakes. So I just made the cream cheese filling from the French toast video. If you haven't seen that video, I will link that down below. So I just made my cream cheese filling for that, and I just put them in between my pancakes, and I topped them with a whole bunch of strawberries, and I also tossed my strawberries in sugar as well. If you want a more detailed video, let me know in the comments below. And it doesn't have to be super neat because we're going to devour this anyway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.